Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. Today we're going to be working on this 2010 Mazda cx7. We're going to be replacing the air filter in it, so let's show you that now. So first thing we want to do is pop the hood. So if you look right here by the positive side of the battery, you have your air box. So if you follow the air ducting, it comes into the air box. We're going to loosen up this hose just to give us more room. There we go. Just push it to the side. Okay, so now that we got the air duct out of the way, there's 4 metal clips that we got to take off. Got one right here. Just push it to the side like that. We have one at this corner. It's a little hard to see, but just reach in there, pop it off. That's 3. And then 4. So essentially there are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now that you have all the clips released, you can raise this up and out. Just move it out of our way. And down in here is your air filter. As you can see, this one's pretty dirty. You can look in between the pleats. To remove it, just pick it up. As you can see, it went down like that. So here's the pleats. As you can tell, it's extremely dirty. So it's a good thing we're changing this now. So if we compare our old one to our new one, you can see a major difference. To install it, we're going to put it down just like that. So as this edge will be at the top, and we'll just put it right back in there. Make sure it sits down there nice and snug. And then we'll set this back on top of here. Once you get them all aligned, just snap all 4 back in. Just like that. Now we just gotta connect our air duct. We wanna make sure to tighten it back up. Put our little cover back on our battery. And we're good to go. Stay tuned. Shortly after this video is released, I will be releasing a more in-depth guide to changing your air filters. I will try to link it after it's published, but that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.